Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level for your headphones Soundcore A25i with using your iOS device. Basically you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to create a widget, so just press and hold at empty space, then click edit or plus at the left top. Now add widget, scroll down and click on batteries. Right here choose the best one widget for you, that's okay for me, and after you decide, click add widget. So you can check it here. But make sure that your headphones is power on. Now, the second option is to use an application, so just open it, and right here we can check a battery level. There is no percentages, and as you can see, but that's all what we have. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!